Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Ayurveda Udhar. Hello friends, today we are discussing about Chandramrit Lauh medicine. All types of cough, breathing, fever, confusion, burning sensation, colic and chronic fever are destroyed by this consumption, and there is an increase in anorexia, gastritis and force. The quality of this Lauh is similar to that of Chandramrit Ras. Difference is so much that by adding a special amount of Lauh Basam it to increase blood flow and increase the strength even in Rajashama. When cough speed is strong or breathing speed is better, to mixing it with honey instead of Ladi powder, it gives very good benefit. Take 1 to 2 tablets of Chandramrit Lauh with honey is very beneficial. Chandramrit Lauh contains dry ginger, peepal, harre, baheda, Lauh Basam, amla, coriander, chavya cumin, and rock salt and other Ayurvedic jadi booties. Chandramrit Lauh is available in Baidnath and other brands which you can order from your nearest Ayurvedic medical and other online medium. Friends, if you like our video, then please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.